Hello everyone. So this video is all about NEET. In the previous video I have made already the students who are going to prepare for IIT mains. So watch that video. And this video is about for the students who are going to prepare for the NEET. Okay. So in this video I am going to tell you what was the old NEET syllabus and what are the new changes or new syllabus which are new topics which are added for this NEET. Okay. So topic wise, like physics, we'll see in physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, fine. So first we'll discuss about physics. So the first chapter, you know about physical world. So here in physical world, nothing was eliminated. Okay, so there are no changes. This topic is there. Units and in units and measurements, we need to study about length, mass, time, measurement. So these are the topics that we need to study. And coming to the next topic, next chapter, motion in a straight line, there are no changes. So we need to study all the topics. Okay, and then coming to motion in a plane. So this topic was eliminated. It is not will be asked in this new NEET syllabus in physics. Okay, so this is about new like the topic which was eliminated from motion in a plane, cases of uniform velocity and uniform acceleration and loss of motion. Okay, so lubrication topic was eliminated. Okay, and in work, energy and power there are no changes. Even system of particles and rotational motion there are no changes. It means no deletion and no addition. And then coming to gravitation, geostationary satellites, this topic was eliminated. And then in mechanical properties of solids, okay, Reynolds number, shear, Poisson's ratio, elastic energy, Reynolds number, this topic was eliminated, but there are few topics which were added again. So pressure due to fluid column, Pascal's law and its application, effect of gravity on fluid pressure. So these topics were added. So we need to focus on it. Okay, then coming to the next topic, mechanical properties of fluids. In mechanical properties of fluids, greenhouse effect, Newton's law of cooling, and Stephen's law, it was eliminated. Okay, in the new NEET syllabus. Okay, now then after that, eighth chapter, thermodynamics. In thermodynamics, heat engine and refrigerators, it is eliminated. Kinetic theory, RMS speed of gas molecules, Avogadro number is added. Then oscillations and waves, free, forced and damped oscillations, qualitative ideas only, resonance, Doppler effect eliminated. And from electrostatics, free charges, bound charges inside a conductor, Van de Graaff generator eliminated. Okay, next. From current electricity, the flow of electric charges in a metallic conductor, carbon resistors, color code for carbon resistors, potentiometer, principle and applications to measure potential difference and for comparing EMF of two cells, measurements of internal resistance of cell eliminated. These topics are eliminated. And from magnetic effects of current and magnetism, concept of magnetic field, Oersted experiment, straight and toroidal, cyclotron, magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron, Earth's magnetic field and magnetic elements. This topic is these topics are eliminated. Okay, fine. Next, 14th, electromagnetic induction and alternating currents, oscillations, LC oscillation, qualitative treatment only. Okay, so this topic was eliminated, and there are no changes in electromagnetic waves. Okay, then from optics, scattering of light, blue color of the sky and reddish appearance of the sun at sunrise and sunset, optical instruments, human eye, image formation and accommodation, correction of eye defects, myopia, hypermetropia using lenses. This topic was eliminated in the new NEET syllabus. So these topics are not going to be like questions will not be asked from these topics in the new NEET syllabus. Next, dual nature of matter and radiation. So division, germal experimentation, okay, experiment and experimental detail should be omitted, only conclusion should be explained. So these are the topics that you need to explain to the students. Which topic? Only conclusion. Okay, so no need to experiment, like these experimental details are not required. Next, atoms and nuclei. So isotopes, isobar, isotones, radioactivity. In radioactivity, alpha, beta, and gamma particles are rays and their properties, decay law. This topic was eliminated. Okay, and then electronic devices, junction transistor, transistor action, characteristics of transistor, transistor as an amplifier, common emitter, configuration and oscillator, transistor as a switch. These topics were eliminated. And then communication system, total the whole chapter is communication system, entire itself is removed. Okay, now, so now if you see here, experimental skills. What are the experimental skills that in a NEET syllabus were added? So vernier caliper, screw gauge, simple pendulum, meter scale. Okay, Young's modulus of elasticity, surface tension, coefficient of viscosity, speed of sound in air at room temperature, resonance tube. Okay, and then resistivity of a material using meter bridge. These resistance of given by using Ohm's law. Okay, galvanometer, deflection method, focal length, convex, concave, mirrors and lens, and parallax method. Okay, and then 14th topic, new topic, which topics are added. Plot the angle of deviation versus angle of incidence for a triangular prism. So refractive index of a glass slab using traveling microscope, characteristic curves of PN junction diode in forward and reverse bias, characteristic curves of okay, Linear diode, and finding reverse breakdown voltage, identification of diode, LED, resistor, capacitor, mixed collection of such items. These topics have been added. Okay, then similarly now for chemistry. So some basic concepts of chemistry, general introduction, important and scope of chemistry eliminated. From structure of atom, there are no changes. All the topics are there, remain. Then classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Okay, so the topics which were deleted are Dobernis law of triad, Newland's law of octave, Mendeleev's periodic table. These topics were eliminated. And then from chemical bonding and molecular structure, there are no changes. States of matter, gas and liquids, total topic is removed. Okay, chemical thermodynamics, third law of thermodynamics, brief introduction, eliminated. In equilibrium, nothing is added or removed. From hydrogen, hydrogen topic is removed. S block elements removed. So some P block elements removed, like allotropes. Okay, silicon, silicates, compounds. Okay, these topics are removed. Next, environmental chemistry, total complete. It is deleted, removed. Okay, and redox reactions. In redox reaction, there are no changes. Okay, whole topic is remain. And organic chemistry, some basic principle, there are no changes in it. Hydrocarbons also no changes made. Okay, and so in the old chemistry from solid state, total complete chapter we need to study. In solution, general principles, total complete chapter. And from P block elements, okay, allotropes and compounds, we should study. Biomolecules, complete chapter we need to study. D and F block elements, chemical reactivity, comparison with lanthanoids. So these topics are added. Next, organic compounds containing nitrogen, renamed to amines, cyanides and isocyanides. Okay. Next, haloalkenes and haloarenes, optical rotation, dichloromethane and tetrachloromethane. Next, alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Okay, so these are the topics which were added in the new NEET syllabus from chemistry. And aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, nomenclature, method of preparation, physical and chemical properties, and their uses. Next, biomolecules, DL configuration, polysaccharides, starch, glucose, glycogen, and importance. Okay, these are the new topics which were added. Organic compounds containing nitrogen, cyanides, and isocyanides will be mentioned at relevant places. Okay, these topics also you need to study. Then surface chemistry, except preparation of lyophilic and lyophobic solution. And then in salt analysis, inorganic chemistry, inorganic compounds, more salt, potash alum, the chemistry involved in trigonometric exercises. Okay, so and then cations, anions. So insoluble salts excluded, and these topics are added. Okay, now from physical chemistry, so chemical principles involved in the following experiments: enthalpy of solution copper sulfate. Okay, neutralization, strong acid and base, preparation of lyophilic and lyophobic solutions, kinetic study of reaction of iodide ions with hydrogen peroxide at room temperature. These topics were added. Okay, this is all about chemistry. Now coming to biology. In biology, okay, from the living world, three domains of life, tools for study of taxonomy museum, zoological parks, herbaria, botanical gardens, eliminated. Then there are no changes in biological classification. Next, in plant kingdom, angiosperms classification up to class, characteristic features of features and examples. This topic is eliminated. Okay. Next, animal kingdom, there are no changes. Fourth chapter. Then morphology of flowering plants, family, okay, Malvaceae and Crucifera, okay, and these topics were added, and then Liliaceae family eliminated. Then anatomy of flowering plants, there are no changes, and then from structural organization in animal, earthworm, this topic is eliminated. Okay, fine. Then eighth chapter, there are no changes in cell, the unit of life, and biomolecules. In biomolecules, one topic is added: classification of nomenclature of enzymes. Then there are no changes in cell cycle and cell division. Okay, 10th chapter. Then 11th, transportation in plants removed, mineral nutrition removed. Okay, then photosynthesis in higher plants, no changes. Respiration in plant, no changes. Plant growth and development, seed dormancy, vernalization, and photoperiodism eliminated. Next, digestion and absorption removed. Okay, then breathing and exchange of gases, there are no changes in it. Body fluids and circulation, no changes. Excretory products and their elimination, no changes. Locomotion and movement, no changes made. Okay, and one topic, like few topics are eliminated from neural control and coordination, but that is reflex action, sense organs, elementary structure and function of eye and ear. This topic is eliminated. Next, chemical coordination and integration, there are no changes made. Okay, then from reproduction in organisms, removed. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants, there are no changes. Human reproduction, no changes. Reproductive health, no changes. Principles of inheritance and variation, no changes. Molecular basis of inheritance, no changes. Evolution, no changes. And some topic is a few topics are added in human health and disease: dengue fever, chikungunya, and tobacco abuse. Okay, added. Then strategies for enhancement in food production, removed. Then microbes in human welfare, there are no changes in it. Then biotechnology, principle and processes, no changes done. Okay, biotechnology and its application, there are no changes in it. And in organisms and population, habitat and niche, population and ecological adaptations eliminated. Then ecosystem, nutrient cycling, carbon and phosphorus, ecological succession, ecological services, carbon fixation, pollination, oxygen release. This topic is eliminated. Okay, fine. Then from biodiversity and its conservation, sacred groves, this topic is added, and environmental issues, it is removed. Okay, so thank you all. So I hope, like, this video will help you a lot for your preparation of NEET exam. Okay, so all the best, and plan and prepare according to the new syllabus. Okay, all the best.